is going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a great week. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. If you've come across these videos, you like what you see, hit that button and you'll know when that happens. I try to keep a decent variety on here. So, you know, again, if you like it, hit the button, then you'll know. That's all you gotta do. So, on today's video, I am gonna be reviewing a beard product, and this was kind of cool how this happened. This company was one of the first companies that I did reviews on, and I've pretty much done their whole line, and this video will pretty much complete the beard product line, with the exception of the beard washes, and I'll probably do another video on that. So the company is Spartans Den, and like I said, I did a review on them when I first started this channel. What they sent me this time was the Legend Beard Oil. This is their red label. Prior videos I did were the blue label, which is their classic, and the green label, which is Revive, and you can get those right up here. But yeah, this is their red label. Again, their packaging, I've always liked their packaging. It's real vibrant, so it's white, and then it's got the red here for that with just some black font. Simple but effective, you know, I like it. Label feels like decent quality. This is a plastic bottle, and this is a 1 ounce version. They do have a 2 ounce version, and then it comes with, every one of them comes with this pump, and I love this pump. I really do. It's nice, great for travel, and it's just a great dispensing mechanism. For shorter beards, do one. Usually for me, I do 2 pumps. And then just take it on up as you need to, the bigger your beard is, right? Getting into the ingredients, we have grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, apricot oil, pumpkin seed oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. So I really like that oil lineup. Like I said, I've used these before. These are consistent with the other products. And the fragrance, that's going to be the one difference. But this one, yeah, this one just has fragrance. Not a big deal for me. You know, it's such a small portion of the whole mix. These other ones, that's the important stuff, your carrier oil, so I'm good on that. And let's just get into how this stuff works, right? So this is relatively clear with a little bit of a tint to it. Alright, and then I'm just going to get it in the beard here. See, I only gave 1 pump. Let me get another one here because I told you I need 2. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Now we're better. Okay. Alright, so I definitely give it like a kind of a medium, definitely a medium rating as far as like how heavy the oil is. It's a good weight. I like it. I mean, it feels immediately it feels pretty effective, which is the case. I get that a lot with oils, but this one just does a nice job. The scent on this one, it's a very I said it. I did the Legend Balm review, and the balm has there's a slight difference in they're relatively consistent, okay, but the balm, I think some of the base ingredients kind of affect the finish of the scent. This one, the scent just finishes really nice. I know in the balm video I talked about maybe like a powder floral kind of thing going on. I would still note it that way. My palate's kind of changed a little bit since then. It's been a year. I've been doing this for a year now, and yeah, it definitely. I will tell you this, it has a very nice light cologne smell, very fresh, finishes very soft approach to the scent, and I really enjoy it for that reason. Of the 3, Revive is minty, you've got, which is the green label, and then you've got Classic, which is the blue label. That one has a kind of a sport cologne smell. I enjoyed that one as well. This one I think just has a very, it just has a very like almost universal cologne approach. It's just a really nice scent. I really do like it. It doesn't feel like it's very conflicting if you wanted to wear some other colognes. It's, again, just a very soft, fresh cologne scent. Really enjoyable. Really, really enjoyable. And the oil works really well. Let me brush this in here a little bit. You got to finish that off with a brush. It really feels like it enhances the color of my beard, which a lot of oils do. But this one, it just, again, leaves a very nice scent in the beard. I do like that a lot. Let's talk about pricing, okay? So, at the time I'm making this video, for a 2 ounce bottle, it's anywhere from $12 to $15 depending on the scent, which is pretty competitive to some of the other products that I have reviewed. And a nice little topper on this one, guys. Spartans Den also sent a discount code, and that is going to be BINKS40, and that will get you 40% off your purchase, 1 per customer. But yeah, that'll get you 40% off. So all in all, guys, I really do like this product. I enjoyed it. Like I said, the scent is really nice. Very nice and fresh. That being said, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I hope you have a great week. Take care.